Welcome to Mampu AI. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to prepare a blasting audience, create a campaign, and build a multi-step message sequence for customer follow-ups. Before creating a blast, prepare the audience you want to target. Go to Labels and create a label that will be used to group the relevant contacts. For this example, we'll use the label M10 as our blasting audience. I'll add Demo Audience as the description. Click Create and wait for the label to create successfully. Next, open Contacts and apply the audience tag to the customers you want to include in the campaign. Select the M10 tag and update the contact. Repeat this for any other contacts that should receive the blast. Once your audience is ready, go to Blasting. Select the appropriate channel and create a new blast. Give the campaign a clear internal title. Then enter the message you want to send to your customers. You can also add supported media to the campaign when required. Select the audience tag you prepared earlier. The live audience count shows how many contacts will receive the blast before it is scheduled. Below the audience settings, you can configure the scheduled delivery time and control how messages are sent in batches. Blasting versus message sequence. Blasting and message sequences serve different purposes. A blast sends one campaign to many contacts, while a sequence manages multiple follow-up steps over time. For multi-step follow-ups, open Settings and select Message Sequences. Add Message Sequence. Start by giving the sequence a clear title, then choose what will trigger the follow-up workflow. Each step can have its own message and timing. Here, the first follow-up is configured to send after a 1-hour delay. You can also add conditions to control when a message should be sent. In this example, the message is sent only when the conversation status is open. Add another action to create the next follow-up step. Here, the second message is configured to send after 1 day. Sequence steps can use different timing methods, including a delay, a specific time, or timing based on a date attribute. Use the timeline to review the complete follow-up journey. It shows the trigger and when each message will be sent before the sequence is saved. Once the messages, timing, and conditions are ready, save the sequence. Use blasting when you need to send one campaign to a selected audience. Use message sequences when a customer requires multiple follow-ups across different steps and times. You now know how to prepare a blasting audience, schedule a campaign, and create a multi-step message sequence in Mampu AI. Subscribe us to know more.